Alright guys, here is going to be a quick unboxing video of the SMA Sunny Boy Smart Energy 11.52. That 11.52 number seems to be a little confusion on that, but I pretty well determined from the spec sheet that that's what we've got. I've seen 11.4 on some documentation, but just the other day I confirmed that it's at 11.52. In regards to creating the interconnection agreement, that was necessary to tease that out, of course. Chest mount camera, not the best setup, sorry. Okay, here is the manual, and here on the manual it says this is the Smart Energy SBSE, that is 9.6, 11.5, covers those two models, and the bunch of not real helpful stuff there. The real manual is online. This is basically gives you the very basic necessary things you'll need to know about your wall spacing, specs of the mounting bracket, things like that, specs of the conductors, how to open and close the unit, AC connections. I'm guessing on the back we have, yep, DC connections, sizes of the knockouts. Has multiple knockouts on the bottom of these units. Fairly easy to find what you need. All right, moving forward. This is a little parts kit. This is probably for the secure power supply, battery connection, zip tie for the conductors. I don't see a ferrite core here that would usually go around the AC conductors, but maybe that's deeper. Here we go. Yeah. So, okay. There are that's our ferrite. This looks like some sort of a special service tool. I'll be honest, I don't know what this is. I've not seen this yet, so cool. Sure, I'll figure that out. Maybe it's the key to open up, keep things secure. Looks like some sort of a special key. All right, this is the side cover. I believe this would be for the right-hand side cover. This is the left-hand side cover. You can see the notch for the DC disconnect. So get that out of the way. Down to the meat and potatoes here. It's the production test report. Serial number, things of that nature. Set that to the side, save that for later for our customer. All right, let's see. Give you guys a view what the back looks like. This is the wall mount bracket, real similar to the smaller units. Here we can see all the holes that are on the bottom. These are obviously open. This looks like a 3/4. I believe the rest of these are 1 inch. We'll put that back on there and lay it down. And stand it back up. And this is what this end looks like. Large heat sink, not active cooling here. We're not relying on any fans. This is the heat sink will, that's never going to fail. So pretty cool. Let's open up. Let's see about this. Usually it takes an Allen key. And that's actually as far as I'm going to go right now with this video. So hope you enjoyed. This is the new Sunny Boy 11.52. At least that is, that's rated for 11,520 watts AC. Y'all have a great day. God bless.